Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put your iPad mini 7 into recovery mode. Recovery mode can be used to restore or update your device using your computer. If your device doesn't work, you should try putting it into DFU mode, which is covered in a different video. But if you want to just update or restore it, watch this tutorial. First, you'll need the tablet, a computer that can be either macOS or Windows, and a cable that establishes a connection between your computer and your iPad. First, plug in the cable to your iPad and to the computer. And now, you'll need to force reboot your iPad. To do it, first shortly press on volume up, then shortly on volume down, and then press and hold on the power button until recovery mode shows up. So let's shortly press on volume up, volume down, and power button. You can see it shows slide to power off, but don't slide it, just hold the power button. Keep holding until recovery mode shows up. Now recovery mode is on, so I can release the button. And on my computer, it should show the tablet. You can see that it says that I can either restore or update it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.